Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, June 15, 2018. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down 15.25 points to 27.68 per contract. And what you're going to see here is that we just got news earlier, and we all knew this was going to happen. Trump imposed $50 billion of new tariffs on Chinese imports. So China has said that they will retaliate immediately, and sure enough, this is sending the market lower. So this creates opportunities for us this morning. We'll see how this all plays out once the opening bell rings. But right now, we do have the S&P 500 E-mini futures down about 15.75 points. NASDAQ futures, I believe, are down 35 points. So this is going to be interesting to see and to play out. And all in all, we'll see what we get today. But this is going to be a very, very volatile morning. So, again, get ready, and we'll see how it all shakes out once the opening bell rings. But let's look at stocks in the news right now. We want to take a look at Adobe. ADBE is the ticker symbol here. Adobe Systems right now reported earnings last night after the closing bell. The stock finished yesterday at $258.10. It is now trading at $249.61. So we got a nice little haircut there for Adobe, but we'll see how it plays out. Right now, the stock is holding up very, very well, and we'll see if it does come back down to these after-hour lows yesterday. If it does that, we will get some trades on this stock. So, again, Adobe is on our radar this morning. We're also going to look at JBL, which is Jabil Circuit. This stock right now is trading at $30.42. It closed at $29.66, so it's upticking a little bit here. Again, I don't see a lot of upside in this name today, so keep that on the radar. You also have a lot of resistance going into the stock from the old high, which was made in March. So again, Jabil Circuit upticking, but I don't think there's a lot of upside here for that name. Let's take a look at Finisar, FNSR. Finisar right now is trading at $17.30. Stock closed at $17.70. This is on the back of earnings as well. I don't see anything to do here until we really pierce the $16 level. If it gets down to around $15.95 or so, maybe $15.90, that's where I like the stock. A pierce of 16, I think we got a play there in Finisar today. So keep that on the radar. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at GOOS, which is Canada Goose. And what you're going to see here is this stock is popping after earnings. It closed at $45.85. It is now trading at $58.10. So nice little pop there. This is way overbought. This is a new issue. This stock's only been public since April of 2017, so we don't have a lot of data to go off of, but just looking at the chart, we are now into extended territory. So if you own this, trail the stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would leave it alone. Let's take a look at Schnitzer Steel. Ticker symbol is SCHN. Schnitzer Steel right now trading at $33.50. I did see some news on this earlier. I don't recall exactly what it was, but again, we'll keep this on the radar today. But this stock's moving up nicely. A lot of resistance at around the $35 level if it gets there. Let's take a look at GNK, which is Genco Shipping. This stock is getting hammered. I believe they did a stock offering, and again, came right down to this level. This is something we talked about in the No Hype Live. We talked about this level being good support. I had no idea today we were going to see a stock offering in the name. So, again, pretty amazing how the charts can pick out levels. Let's take a look at LUV, which is Southwest Airlines. That stock right now is trading at $51.45. Closed at $51.95. This is on the back of a downgrade. So Southwest trading down a little bit. I do think all the airline stocks are still vulnerable at these current levels. Let's take a look at Steel Dynamics, STLD is the ticker symbol here. This stock is popping. It looks like they released guidance. Stock right now is trading at $50.60. Closed at $49.01. So good pop there for Steel Dynamics. I don't see anything terrible here, or do I see anything great? If you own it, trail the stop loss. There could be more upside in the cards for this name. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. A lot of resistance, though, coming up around $51 for this name. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. We'll talk about looking at the gold market. We are getting hit in gold. Gold down about 12 points right now, trading at 122.55. Again, if the GLD gets down to around 121, I think there is pretty good support. Spot gold should have good support around 1270. Again, right now it's at 1296. So we'll see how that plays out. But gold down $12 ahead of the opening bell. Looking at crude today, we have crude down as well. Crude's down 24 cents to $66.66 a barrel. If you take a look here at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, that's trading at 1346. So all in all, that's where we stand. We'll see how today plays out. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. We're going to look to improve upon it today. We got good volatility out here. Again, futures right now are down 14.25 points. And if you're not a day trader, check out the swing trades and come on over to our research center. You get all of our reports each and every night, get all of our trade setups. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here, short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.